And I give the floor to Mrs. Romana Jordan.
Predsednik, sem za članstvo Hrvaške v Evropski uniji, vendar pa...
Thank you very much indeed, President. I am very much in favour of the accession of Croatia. Let me refer to the border between Croatia and Slovenia. It's not any kind of abstraction. It's something which affects the fate of millions of people. And in Strasbourg, the European Parliament has called for an early ratification of the agreement, but I'm not sure that this is within the competence of the European Parliament. The question has arisen of when we should actually move towards ratification. But remember that in August 2007, all parliamentary parties said that we must find a solution in line with the principle of justice, and it seems to me that we have to continue to work along those lines. But that principle is nowhere enshrined in this proposed agreement, and in the motion for a resolution there is no sign of that principle, so I voted against.
Ora la parola all'onorevole.
Thank you, Mrs. Roitova.
Thank you. I was glad to support today the report on the crucial progress of Croatia into the EU because the Czech citizens are in long-term relations